Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This guide shows how to set low brightness on a Windows PC quickly. Start by using your keyboard brightness keys near the top row. Open Settings and go to System Display to slide brightness down. Set Night Light and lower color temperature to reduce perceived glare. Use Power Options and create a power plan with reduced brightness values. Set Display Off Timeout to save power and prevent accidental brightening. These steps cover built-in controls before advanced driver or monitor fixes. If keys or settings do not change brightness, update your display driver first. Open Device Manager and install the latest driver for your integrated GPU. Use the Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA control panel to manually set lower gamma. Adjust the external monitor OSD buttons to reduce backlight and lower contrast. Some laptops hide brightness in BIOS. Reboot and check advanced display options there. When using docking stations, adjust settings on the connected monitor separately. These install a trusted dimming app when hardware controls cannot reach desired low levels. Applications like Lux, or Windows Night Light lower color temperature and dim further. Use software overlay dimmers to reduce brightness below hardware minimum safely. Calibrate using Windows Color Calibration to balance gamma, contrast, and brightness precisely. Enable adaptive brightness to let sensors adjust screen based on ambient light automatically. Avoid extreme dimming for long periods to prevent eye strain. Take breaks every hour. Follow these combined tips to achieve comfortable low brightness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.